Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the GPU model and driver baseline. Open Device Manager or run dxdiag so you know exactly what to update. Next, make a system restore point and backup any irreplaceable files because driver updates can fail. Once done, close games and resource-heavy apps, plug the laptop into power, and ensure a stable internet connection. These steps reduce interruption and rollback risk. Now you're ready to fetch and prepare the correct driver package. You should go to the vendor utility or official driver page and download the Windows 11 x64 package that matches your GPU. If available, use GeForce Experience or Radeon Adrenalin for an automated detect and optimized install. Otherwise, choose the full package and tick Clean Install to remove old remnants. Run the installer as administrator and follow prompts. If the standard installer fails, reboot into safe mode and run the installer there, which often bypasses. You finish by rebooting and verifying the new driver version in Device Manager and the GPU control panel so you confirm the update applied correctly. Then run a quick benchmark or play briefly to ensure stability and performance gains. Monitor temperatures and artifacts. If you see crashes or degraded performance, roll back to the previous driver via Device Manager or use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to perform a clean removal. Then reinstall the stable driver. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-update issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.